Significant developments out of a Sullivan County courtroom today. A mother accused of murdering her infant daughter now has a new attorney, and it's expected her trial will not start in February as planned. Megan Boswell faces 19 charges, including murder in the death of her one-year-old daughter, Evelyn. Back in 2020, an Amber Alert was issued to find the girl, but in March of that year, Evelyn was found dead. A forensic pathologist testified last month the girl was found in a trash can on a family member's property in Blountville. Kate Nemrich was at today's hearing when it was decided Megan Boswell would get a new lawyer. She explains what is next in this case. Kate?
Sarah, Megan Boswell will now be represented by Gene Scott alongside Leslie Tiller. This after Judge Jim Goodwin granted Brad Sproul's motion to be withdrawn as counsel in the case.
I've always felt that the rules of professional responsibility require that when an attorney gets to the point where they can't be effective, it's our responsibility to bring that to the court's attention.
Defense attorney Brad Sproul will no longer be representing Megan Boswell after filing a motion in court earlier this week stating the client-counsel relationship deteriorated to the point that he can't effectively represent his client. Gene Scott has been named Megan Boswell's new lawyer, but he says he has quite a bit of catching up to do. To grant Scott more time, District Attorney General Barry Staubis suggested the court change a December change of venue motions hearing to a status hearing.
It's going to take a long while. From what I understand, the discovery in the case is voluminous. I have talked to Ms. Boswell one time, but to say that we will be ready to do anything by December 14th, I don't think that's realistic. It'll take months to get caught up.
Sproul has said he will work with Scott to transfer over discovery.
The issue here is just the volume of information, and I've talked with him a little bit about where that stands.
Both prosecution and defense say this will delay the case going to trial in February as planned.
We just have to go forward best we can and hopefully get a trial date as soon as we can. It's a reasonable date so everyone will be prepared and ready to go.
Although the change of venue hearing was postponed this morning, Scott says he will consider that motion in the future.
Every time this lady's in court, she's been on television. There's been a lot of talk about her. There's not been a lot of talk about her side of the story, but we intend to bring that out so there's not a rush to judgment in this case and so that she gets a fair trial.
That status hearing is set for December 14th, and at that time, Judge Jim Goodwin says they will reevaluate the trial timeline.